everybody, Elizabeth with Country Peony, and today I partnered with Clover to bring you a really sweet handmade gift just in time for Mother's Day. So today we're going to be using Clover's amazing embroidery stitching tool and their tassel maker to make a really sweet keychain that any mother would love. And the beauty in this DIY is that it's very simple using Clover's amazing tools. And you can apply this technique to create any handmade gift throughout the year. So if you want to see the very simple way to use Clover's embroidery stitching tool and their tassel maker to make this adorable keychain, then come along. Thank you so much for following along today, guys. I hope you feel inspired to start using Clover's embroidery stitching tool and their tassel maker to make your own homemade gifts or for your crafting projects. If you want to see more simple DIYs and tutorials, then please check out my blog, countrypeony.com, or feel free to follow me on Facebook or Instagram at The Country Peony. I'd love to have you there. Until next time, happy crafting.